Good morning, students. Now, today we will take chapter number 13, Exponents and Powers revision. In this chapter, so many rules come, and I will discuss about these all rules, which all rules are very important for this chapter. So students, if you know these all rules properly and by heart these all, then definitely you can solve any sums which are depending on this chapter. So first, exponent and powers. In previous session already I talked about some basic concept of this chapter, but once again I will repeat that all. So here a raised to 5. So here a is base and we can say 5 is power. A is base and this 5 is power. We can read this way: a raised to 5. A raised to 5. This way we can read, and its expand form: a multiply a multiply a multiply a multiply a. 1 2 3 4 5 times a came, so we can write a raised to 5. Is it clear, beta? Now let's take here some rules. First number rule number 1. It's multiplication rule. Multiplication rule. In this, so we can say first one, same base multiplication sum of their power. This first number rule, same base, both have same base. A, this same base multiplication we have to do sum of their powers. Let's we take here one example. Suppose a raised to 7 multiply a raised to 3 multiply a raised to 2. So we can observe here that all terms have same base, a, and their relation is multiplication. So we can say same base multiplication sum of their powers. 7 plus 3 plus 2. So 7 plus 3 10 plus 2 12. Clear? Now rule number 2. Rule number 2. This division rule. Division rule. Same base division subtraction of their power. See. A raised to n division a raised to n equal to same base, both have same base, and division sign, both have a division relation. So we have to do subtraction of their power. Here m power is greater than n. So this is our second number. Same base division subtraction of their power. Next we take here one example. A raised to 8 divide a raised to 5. So same base division subtraction of their power. 8 minus 5. This second, this multiplication rule and this division rule. This all rules will come in your 8th standard also. Okay. Now third number rule. Rule number 3. Power on power. Power on power. In this rule, a raised to m raised to n. A raised to m raised to n. That means we have to do multiplication simply. Mn. Clear? So let's we take here one example. A raised to 3 raised to 2. A raised to 3 multiply 3 to the 6. Now rule number 4. A upon b raised to m. So this power we have to distribute in numerator and denominator both sides. A raised to m upon b raised to m. This rule number 5. Suppose a raised to 3, b raised to 2, and raised to 2. So 3 to the 6 and this 2 to the this example. Now rule number 5. Suppose a into b raised to m. That means this power we have to distribute a and b, both a raised to m and b raised to m. Let's we take here one example. Suppose a raised to 3 and b raised to 2 and this 5. Whole bracket 5. So 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. This is answer. Now rule number 6. If any power is 0, a raised to 0, any base power is 0, our answer always is 1. So we can take, suppose this 2012 and power is 0, so answer will be 1. So these all rules are very important for this chapter. And inverse form also I will show it. So this is inverse. Rule number 7. Rule number 7. If a raised to minus 1, inverse power, a raised to minus 1 in negative form, then we have to denote it by 1 upon. So this power will become positive. In also a raised to 3 given. If we want to write this a raised to 3 in numerator, so this power sign will be changed, minus 3. Okay. Now this a raised to 3, so we can write a raised to minus 3. So these all rules are very important. Once again I repeat this. Rule number 1, multiplication, same base, multiplication, sum of their powers. Division rule, same base, division, subtraction of their power. In this case, m is greater than n. Power on power, that means a raised to m raised to n, that we have to do multiplication of both power. A upon b in numerator, denominator power, whole bracket power given, that means we have to distribute this power upper side and downside, both side we have to distribute this power. So, and rule number 5, a multiply b and whole bracket power, then this power we have to distribute a and b. Rule number 6, any base power is 0. Any base power is 0, that means its answer always will come 1. A raised to inverse power given. If this negative power we want to convert into positive power, that time we have to write 1 upon, so that power convert into positive. A raised to minus 1, so we can write 1 upon a. And if any in denominator power given and we convert that denominator power into negative, simply we have to change its place. Numerator is going in denominator and denominator is going in numerator. So that power will be changed. A raised to 3. So if we write this a raised to 3 in numerator, so this power will convert into negative. So these all rules are very important. In this extra sums, first number sum, we can observe that first number sum is depending on first number rule, and we know the first number rule. If there is same base, the relation is multiplication. So simple, we have to do sum of their powers. So same base, multiplication, sum of their powers. Here we can observe both have same base, 2, 2, and the relation is multiplication. So we have to apply here first number rule. Same base, multiplication, sum of their powers. This 2 and sum of their powers. 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5. Is it clear? Now same condition we will apply here. Same base, relation multiplication. multiplication sum of their powers. 2 plus 3 plus 4. 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. Here same condition, same base, multiplication, both have same base, minus 3 minus 3. Same base, multiplication sum of their powers. 3 plus 7. 7 plus 3. Clear this? Now in sum number 4, same base, both have 3 terms have same base, minus 4 minus 4 minus 4. Relation is multiplication. Simple, we will add this that power 2 plus 3 plus 6. 6 plus 3 9 plus 2 11. Here same base, multiplication sum of their power. 2 plus 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10. So minus 10 raised to 10. So this way we can solve. If there is same base and multiplication relation, simply we will add that those all powers. Now type number 2 means second number rule. Our second number rule is division rule. In division rule, same base, division, subtraction of their power. So here we can observe both terms have same base. 2 2. The relation is division. So we have to subtraction of their power. This power is greater than, so 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. Clear? Now n raised to 14, division n raised to 10, same base, division, subtraction of their power. 14 minus 10 and 14 minus 10 is 4. Number 3, minus 7 divided by 7. Same base, division, subtraction of their power. 16 minus 10. 16 minus 10 is 6. Same base, division, subtraction of their power. 13 minus 3. 13 minus 3 is 10. Clear? Now sum number 5, minus 2, division, minus 2. Both have same base, division, subtraction of their power. 10 minus 3 is 2. So students, here we apply our first number rule and our second number rule. Now let's we apply here third number rule. Now in third number rule type 3, in third number rule we will apply our third number rule. In this third number rule we know power on power means any base given and its power given and whole bracket power given. That means we have to do multiplication with that power. So here this 2 raised to 2 and whole bracket 3 given. So simple we will do multiplication. 3 2 is 6. 3 raised to 4 and 2 given. So simple 4 2 is 8. Minus 2 as it is and 3 2 is 6. Same power on power. 6. Don't write this, no problem. 6 and 4 2 is 8. 3 3 is 9. Simple means power on power given. That times we have to do simple multiplication. This time. In this case we can observe that both have same power, same power, but base are not same. So what we will do? So simple, that power we have to take out from 2 multiply 3 and 3 is common. Power 3 we take out common. Simple, 3 2 is 6 raised to. Same concept, both have same power. So 3 multiply b and whole power is common. So we can write 3b raised to 4. Here 2 multiply minus 3. So 2 multiply minus 3 and 3 2s are 6 minus 6 raised to. Here 3 common power, so minus 3 multiplied 4 raised to 3 minus 4b raised to minus power will that time we have to write in bracket below. See is here 3 multiplied minus 3 raised to 2 common power minus 3a raised to 2. This clear? Now rule number 5. Here also we can say both have same base, 2 raised to 5, 3 raised to 5. This way we can write, and both have same power, so we can write 2 upon 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 6 divide 4 raised to 6. So 3 raised to 6 divide by 4 raised to 6. So we can write 3 by 4 raised to 6. N raised to 6 upon n raised to 6. Both have same power, 6 is common. Minus p raised to 12 upon q raised to 12, same power, minus p upon q raised to 12. Minus x raised to 15 divide y raised to 15, so minus x raised to 15 upon y raised to 15, same x upon y raised to common power 15. So these all rules we apply here to solve this sum. This mixed rules we have to apply here. All rules we can apply here in this type of sums. First number sum 7 raised to 5 multiply 7 cube divide 7 raised to 8. First we will simplify this small bracket and then relation same base multiplication sum of their power. So we can write 7 5 plus 3 divide 7 raised to 8. Here 5 plus 3 8 divide 7 raised to 8. Same base division subtraction of their power. 8 minus 8 is 0, and if any base power is 0, our answer is always 1. We know this rule. Once again I repeat this sums here beta. First we will simplify this small bracket. Same base multiplication sum of their power 5 plus 3 divide 7 raised to 8. 5 plus 3 8 divide 7 raised to 8. Same base division subtraction of their power. 8 minus 8 7 raised to 0, and any base power is 0. Answer will be 1 there. Now here same concept, same base multiplication sum of their power. First we will simplify this small bracket. So we will write here 2 4 plus 3 divide 2 raised to 6. 4 plus 3 7 divide 2 raised to 6. Same base division subtraction of their power. 7 minus 6 1 and 2 raised to 1 2. Here first we will simplify this bracket. 3 raised to 10 divide same base multiplication sum of their power. 3 raised to 10 divide 6 plus 3 9, same base division subtraction of their power. 10 minus 9 1 and 3 raised to 1 is. Now this second number, fourth number sum. In this fourth number sum, first we will simplify this small bracket and both have same base division, so subtraction of their power. 5 minus 4 multiplied 2 raised to 2 is to 5 minus 4 1 multiplied 2 raised to 2. Now same base multiplication sum of their power. 2 plus 1 6. So our answer is 2. Clear? Now in fifth number sum, we can observe that 5 raised to 4 raised to 3 divide 5 raised to 10. So which number? Rule number 4. Power on power. Power on power means simply we multiplication is 5. 4 3s are 12. Divide 5 is to 10. Now second number, same way, division, subtraction of their power. 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. And if they ask to find its value, so simple, 5 square means we have to write 5 to 10. 5 is 25. Clear? Now the sixth number, same base, division, subtraction of their power. 15 minus 12, divide 2 is to 2. So 15 minus 12 is 3 and 2 is to 2. Same base, division, subtraction of their power. 3 minus 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2 is 2 is 2. So students, here I do all types of sums. Now I hope you all have to understood this all rules here and how can we solve. You know this all. And in next lecture we will take some other sums which are very important of this chapter. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.